My name is Sophia, and today I'm going to read Noisy Nora by Rosemary Wells. Jack had dinner early. Father played with Kate. Jack needed burping, so Nora had to wait. First, she banged the window. Then she slammed the door. Then she dropped her sister's marbles on the kitchen floor. Quiet, said her father. Hush, said her mom. Nora, said her sister, why are you so dumb? Jack had gotten filthy. Mother cooked with Kate. Jack needed drying off, so Nora had to wait. First, she knocked the lamp down, then she felled some chairs. Then she took her brother's kite and flew it down the stairs. Quiet, said her father. Hush, said her mom. Nora, said her sister, why are you so dumb? Jack was getting sleepy. Father read with Kate. Jack needed singing too, so Nora had to wait. I'm leaving, shouted Nora, and I'm never coming back. And they didn't hear a sound, but a tra-la-la from Jack. Father stopped his reading. Mother stopped her song. Mercy, said her sister, something's really wrong. No Nora in the cellar, no Nora in the tub. No Nora in the mailbox or hiding in a shrub. She's left us, moaned her mother, as they sifted through the trash. But I'm back again, said Nora, with a monumental crash. The end. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.